In this video, I am going to discuss the operations on fractions, that is additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. So we are going to see how to add a fraction to another fraction, how to subtract a fraction from another fraction, how to multiply a fraction by another fraction, and how to divide a fraction by another fraction. So let us start with the addition of a fraction by another fraction. By addition of a fraction to fraction. Okay. For that, let me take a simple example. Maybe I can take 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So I can add these two fractions in 3 ways. So I'm going to explain how many ways we can add. So I can add this in 3 ways. First thing is that we know that when we have the same denominators, that means in both the fractions, if the denominators are equal, we can add the numerators, right? So that means we can make this 2 as 4. So how can we make it as 4? By multiplying by 2. So that multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 6 by 4 plus 1 by 4, right? Now the denominators are same, we can add the numerators, that is 6 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 7 by 4, right? Wasn't it easy? Yes. Now let me show you the second method. So here in this method, you can simply cross multiply the numbers. That means you can multiply 3 by 4 and 2 by 1 and 2 into 4 in the denominator. So just cross multiply 3 by 4 plus 2 by 1 over 2 into 4. Let's see. On writing this, I will get 3 into 4 plus 1 into 2 divided by, so multiply the denominators. That's it. It is simple. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 by 8. So that 14 by 8. You can cut 2 here. So 7 and this is 4. Therefore, it is equal to 7 by 4. This is another method. And the third method is we can take the LCM. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? You have to take the LCM of the denominators. 4 and 2 LCM is 4. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. So 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1, which is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 7 by 4. This is another method we can use for adding fractions. Right? Can I give you one more example to add the fractions? Yes, let us take. So let's say that we have 5 by 7 plus 3 by 2. So what will you do? So can I take the cross multiplication? So 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 by 2 into 7. That's it, the problem is over. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 into 7 is 21 by 14, which is equal to 31 by 14. Right? So you can write it in mixed fraction because 31 by 14 is improper fraction. So you can write as 2 3 by 14. That's it, the problem is over. Right? I hope it is simple. So the same thing you can do, by equating, by making the denominators equal. So how can we make the denominators equal? Here we have 7 and here we have 2. So 7 can be converted into 14, 2 can be made as 14. For that, what you have to do is you have to multiply by 2 both numerator and denominator, plus, and multiply by 7, so that for the second fraction, so you will get 10 by 14 plus 21 by 14. Now the denominators are same, therefore we can add the numerators, which is equal to 31 by 14. I can write it as this is 3 by 14. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now let us see the subtractions. Subtracting one fraction from the another fraction, right? Let us see that. Let me take a simple example again. Probably I can take 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Isn't that simple? Yes. So same way, how we have done it for the additions, we use the same methods to subtraction. So let's see that one thing is that we can make the denominator same. So how can I make? So if I multiply the second fraction by 2, both numerator and denominator, I will get 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So now the denominators are same. We can add or subtract the numerators. So 3 minus 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Right? So now let us use the second method. What is the second method? Just cross multiply the numbers. Cross multiply the numbers. So cross multiply 3 and 2, 4 and 1, 4 and 2. So 3 into 2 minus 1 into 4 over 4 into 2. So that this is 6 minus 4 by 8, which is equal to 2 by 8. So you can cut the 2 into 8, so that 1 by 4. Right? What is the third method we can go for? We can take LCM. So we know that LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So that 4 by 4 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus, so 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, 3 minus 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. This is another method. Right? So you can use either of these methods to subtract one fraction from another fraction. Let me take one more example. If you have to subtract something like 5 into 5 3 by 2 minus 7 by 3, let's say. So first let us convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So that 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 2 minus 7 by 3. So I will use the cross multiplication here. So 13 into 3 and then 2 into 7 minus 2 into 7 whole divided by 2 into 3. So 13 into 3 is 39 minus 14 by 6. 39 minus 14 is 25. 25 by 6. It can be written as mixed fraction, that is 4 1 by 6. I hope it is clear. Now let us see the multiplications and divisions. Multiplication is pretty easy. Okay. You don't need to worry about the LCMs. You don't need to worry about converting the denominators. Right? Making the denominators equal. Nothing to do. Whenever you come across the multiplications, let's say that we have 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. Just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. That's it. 3 into 5 by 4 into 6. Simple. 15 by 24. You can take, you can cut here 5 and this is 6. So that 5 by 8. right? So now let me take one more example. If you have something like 7 by 10 into maybe I can take some 19 by maybe some 6, right? So it is very simple, 7 into 19 by 10 into 6, right? So 7 into 19 is 133 by 10 into 6 is 60. So you can write it as the mixed fraction, that is 213 by 60. So it is so easy, right? Multiplication is so easy. So let me take you through division of a fraction by another fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. So this is also easy, but the thing is that suppose you have to take 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. In this case, what we do is we take the second fraction, and from the second fraction we take the reciprocal, right? And that reciprocal we multiply by 3 by 4. So that means this division will be multiplication when you take the reciprocal of 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 by 1. So we take the reciprocal of 2 by 1 and we convert the division into multiplication. That's it. So we know multiplication, right? 3 into 2 by 4 into 1, which is equal to 6 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. Very simple, right? Now let me take one more example. We have, let us say that 5 by 8 divided by 10 by 11, let's say, right? So what to do? So first we take the second fraction and we take the reciprocal of it and we convert this division into multiplication. 5 by 8 we write as it is. So this division becomes multiplication. This becomes 11 by 10. That is the reciprocal of 10 by 11 is 11 by 10. So that 5 into 11 by 8 into 10, which is equal to 55 by 80. So that this is 11 5s and this is 16. So which is equal to 11 by 16 will be the answer. Right? So the same thing with when you take when you come across mixed fractions also. Let's say that you have 3 5 by 7 divided by 2 or 5 by 6, let's say. So 3 into 7, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 by 7 divided by 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. First convert them into fractions and then we have to take the reciprocal of it and the division becomes multiplication. That is 26 by 7 into 6 by 17. So 6 into 26 is 156. 7 into 17 is 70, 49. That is 119. Right? So you can see that if it can be simplified, you can do, or you can write it in the mixed fraction. Right? I hope you have understood. So if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel for more videos on maths, tricks and math concepts. Thank you.